Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's talk cream blush. It's everywhere, it's beautiful, and Shopmissa just released some amazing options. Today we'll be reviewing the new Shopmissa Color Flush liquid blushes that are only $1. So how much can $1 really get you? Let's break down this collection together to figure out if it's worth it. So to better understand this collection, we'll be breaking down this video into 3 easy categories: packaging, color story, and pigmentation. So let's dive in. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into packaging. What I love about the packaging is that it is sleek, it is clean, and best of all, I can actually see what color I'm about to dive into. This is perfect because if I put it all on my makeup stand or for storage, I can actually see what colors I'm working with side by side. So I do love that. And I also love that it is a durable plastic. If you're applying makeup, you know that accidents happen. That's life. I don't want to be worried that it's going to crack or just spill all over the place. So I feel like the presentation is pretty durable. I love that. On the exterior, we have the Color Flush Collection logo, we have Shopmissa, and we also have the label at the bottom. And you know that labels are everything. So we have it in clear, but it's still very visible. I do appreciate that. And if we go over to the actual applicator, which is what we are here for, these are cute by themselves. So let's go ahead and just kind of compare it. This is the plumping gloss that they just launched, and I was curious for size as well. I wouldn't say it's quite travel size, but it's not full size. According to this, it has 0.08 ounces or 2.5 grams, which I still feel is a great value. And it is just nice and convenient. You can throw it in your bag, you can travel, you can put it right there, and you are good to go. Let's go ahead and dive into the actual applicator. So for applicator, I feel like this is perfect. We have a nice doe foot applicator, super cute and small. I love that it deposits color precisely where I want it. Liquid blush can dry very fast, and if you're not a pro, it can get really messy really quick. The nice thing about this doe foot applicator is that I can just start in tiny little sections, blending, and then going back and putting more color where I want to have color. I really appreciate the precise application. I'd rather start small and work my way to where I want the color. Alright guys, so next up we have the color story. So for this collection, they provided a total of 5 complexion flattering shades. So we have really nice tones that are supposed to flatter all skin tones. So we have from light, medium, and darker ones. Like I said, these are really meant to bring out that natural glow from within your skin, but better. We are fresh face and glowing. So I do enjoy that. If I want to mix these, you can. You can create custom shades to fit whatever needs you want. I really enjoy that. I actually tried mixing all of the shades on one of the reels that I did just to try out if they would blend out together or if they would just be a mess. And I can confidently tell you that if you wanted to mix all of these together, you could create something beautiful. Today, I'm actually wearing just one shade, but look at how beautiful this is. So I love the idea that I have the ability to easily build one color or customize to create my favorite shade. Next up, we have pigmentation. So I wanted to pull up the claims from the website so that we can kind of talk about those at first. So if you look at the website, they claim that this is going to give you a natural finish, 5 complexion flattering shades for a dewy glow. We have buildable mistake-proof blush, non-toxic, free of alcohol, sulfates, and other dangerous things, and we have long wear time. We also have that it is vegan, cruelty-free, and alcohol-free. These are all amazing claims and very good news for actual cream products. One of the things that we don't want product is for a liquid lipstick type of formula to be on our cheeks because the area can be a little bit more sensitive. So you definitely don't want dry cheeks. And I love that this is actually more of a serum formula. It is very, very lightweight. It gives you a nice, comfortable working time, and you just look glowy and just beautiful. That's the whole idea with this collection, color flush. You are supposed to look the lush. So I really enjoyed that. I actually tried it different ways. So for this type of formula, of course, the doe foot applicator allows perfect precise deposit. So with this one, the long wear claim, I want to talk about. At first when I went in, I was kind of like, do I blend it fast? How much time do I have? So I feel like this has a nice working time. When you apply it, make sure that you apply tiny dots and blend as you go, because if you leave it too long, the long wear means it has a stain. So you don't want little tiny stains of where you deposited the color. I would say don't freak out. It is definitely beginner friendly, but I do want to place and blend. So the first time I actually worked with this product, I just kind of applied it and blended as I went. The second time around, I did one cheek, and then my nose. And I like that technique better because it gives me more precision in the blending tools that I want to use. So at first, I recommend that you dot and either blend with your fingers or go in with an actual sponge. And to finalize your flawless blend, I like to go in with a dense brush just to make sure that everything is nice and diffused and blending into my contour, bronzer, and highlighter. It is beautiful, love the working time, and love the pigmentation. So quick tip when working with cream blushes, they actually can double up for beautiful things in your makeup routine. For a no makeup type of look, we can bring it into the eyes, the cheeks, and a little bit on the lips, and we are looking fresh and ready to go. Or if you are more into a more glamorous look like I am wearing today, you can definitely use it as your base powder and then come back with whatever blush powder that you love, and you can definitely enhance the natural glow. All right, guys, so we reached the final thoughts and we are back to that first question and most important question, is it worth it? I feel like for $1 for starters, the price is unbelievable and unbeatable. I get to try 5 different shades, and if I'm not sure about using cream products or cream blushes because all of the trends don't work for everyone, I don't have to break the bank trying this. I love the formula. I love that it's beginner friendly, that it's buildable and precise. So I definitely enjoy all of that. I think it stays true to the claims of mistake-proof blush. So it's very beginner friendly, or if you're more familiar with the application, I feel like it really truly is a go-to product. So is it worth it? Definitely yes. I bought the whole collection and I really enjoy every single color. Do not be intimidated if you are a medium skin tone, a lighter skin tone, or a darker skin tone. If you're gonna check out the whole collection, I definitely recommend mixing and having some fun with the shades. No matter if you are a light skin tone, medium skin tone, or a darker skin tone, I feel like these are going to be a staple and a favorite in my makeup collection. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried this collection, if you're going to run and get it, and which one is your favorite. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Karla Trevino, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle, because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.